Today, sir, my name is Janre Abanto, and I will discuss recommended construction of water rights bulkhead in a ship as per SOLAS regulation. A SOLAS regulation required water rights bulkhead in a ship to be constructed with steel plating and vertical stiffener, ensuring the ship's stability and survivability. In case of damage, these bulkheads are essential for water right subdivision, preventing flooding and maintaining the ship's buoyancy. Water rights bulkheads are built with steel plating and providing a robust and water rights barrier. Water rights bulkheads are primarily constructed using steel plating and vertical stiffener. These materials are chosen for their strength and ability to create a water-tight steel, preventing water in case of damage.